Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dragon Quest 3 HD-2D remake crashing, freezing or lagging on your PC. Guys, first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, so open it. Then just click on the startup application you are seeing on the top and just disable all the applications you are seeing here. Because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and causing a lot of GPU usage or the RAM usage, and make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable all of these, then restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Still crashing problem, then just click on the game which is the Dragon Quest 3, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. Still you have the problem, then just uncheck or disable the Discord overlay. If Discord is installed on your PC, then just open up the Discord, go to your Discord setting and just disable the Discord overlay, then launch the game, then check. Still you have the problem, then just click on the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files, and it will take some time, so just wait for it, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still you have the problem, then just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top and just look for your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your game launcher and go to its properties, then just go to the compatibility tab and here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then just click on the apply option. Now launch the game, then check. Still crashing or the freezing problem, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, click on apply, now launch the game, then check. Still you have the problem, then just check the box of compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8. Now just launch the game, then check. Still crashing, freezing problem, then just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just click on the apply. Now just click on the OK, then just leave it from here, then go to your Windows search and just type here the updates and open it. Guys, simply update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card drivers, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, try all of this solution and I hope one of these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.